Hello everybody, I'm glad to see you again in our creative channel. Batik is a traditional Indonesian cloth, and now I will show you how to make batik earrings. This is from Batik and I gave a big cup. I hope you like it and enjoy watching this video. And don't forget to press the bell button and put like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And now let's prepare the item for making the earring. The materials are batik fabric, scissors, lighter, thread and needle, hairpin, ear hook, bead cup, pliers, gun and glue stick. The first step, you make a pattern with the size of 6 by 6 centimeters, and you take a batik, you copy the pattern on a batik and you cut. Like this. Then you take a lighter, you melt the edges of the fabric so that it's not stringy. And you fold to form the triangle. Like this. And you fold back the side. Like this. You fold to form a triangle and you fold back the sides like this. Put everything together like this. You take thread and needle and you are going to sew. Like this. You take hairpin and you insert here, but before this you give the glue. Like this. Take a bead cup and you insert. Like this. And you cut. You bend Then you take a ear hook and you insert like this. The batik earring have been done. Thank you. Bye bye.